Hello, Mr. Ismail Barry. Following our conversation during the week, I've gone to some of our suppliers to look at their plant and get some information from them so I can send it to you over there in Sierra Leone so you can have an idea about the capability that we have over here in relation to supplying machinery to the project you have over there in Sierra Leone. So I've taken some videos. They're not long, but there's a few of them to just give you an idea of few places that I've gone, and the videos are short, they're not too long, but yeah, there's few of them, and also I've attached other information that will give you an idea of the extent of what is possible over here. Hello, this is Pete over here in Australia. Mr. Barry, like I was saying, we do have all these equipment available to send to Sierra Leone. These equipment originally we were hoping to send them to Senegal, but we can definitely do that here. We can send them to you over there once the project and the contract are well sorted. You can see this is one of the excavators, and I think that size is definitely quite good for what you guys want to do over there in Sierra Leone. Mr. Barry, here again, you can see this is your standard grader. It's a good size. It's not too big, and it will definitely fit into what we're trying to do in Sierra Leone. So yeah, so I'm just looking around and show you a little bit. That's just a small size. I'll go on the other side and show you the compactors, and they are in pretty good shape. And so we can work with the people I have contact with here, the people I work with, to get this going and possibly send it to you as soon as possible. We just work out what we need, a good list, but yeah, we can definitely get the top 10 and send it to you. Hello, Mr. Barry. I'm over here at Caterpillar, which is probably your biggest supplier of plant over here, or machinery like we call it over there. And then so yeah, this is the equipment that they have, and all the 306, here when I mean 306 is the type of Caterpillar excavator. They are all sold. You can see the list here. It's quite extensive. I'm only gonna get a sample of what it's available, just to show that once we get going, we can definitely find the equipment that we need. Yes, so the 308 right here, they are not sold. I think 2 or 3 of them, but all the 306, they're all gone. And then there's your mini, what we call bobcats. They're pretty handy for day-to-day jobs. So yeah, we can definitely find all the stuff that we need for the road project and any other project that you may have there, Mr. Barry. So there's your front loaders, and yeah, there's 2 here. I think these ones are already sold, according to what the representative told me. So yeah, you can see even here, this one says sold. So yeah, they're all sold over here. And yes, this is an extensive yard, so we come here often. You can see across the road there is what you call it, they're piling rigs. So if you have a project that require piling rigs, they're right here. And then you have more equipment on the other side. This is a massive yard, so I thought I'd just give you a quick idea of what's available to us. And they also do maintenance. So this, they are the official Caterpillar reseller, West Track. So this is their plant, and you can see I'm just at one of the yards. So I'll have to go back out to go to to this gate here, but yeah, so that shows you we definitely have a lot of options, and we can get the equipment that we need, definitely. So yes, this roller will be your standard, and it's pretty good size as well, so we can definitely get work done in with these equipments. And then you got your excavators on tracks. You got your mini ones. They're really small one, but they're quite handy. They can go anywhere. Your 301 and your 308, your 226 mini digger. We usually call them Bobcat because it's a brand, American brand, that's kind of made these very popular. So yes, this is this is what we're looking at. I mean, look, you just look at the line. It's massive, and there's your paver over there. There's two pavers. So this is just one side, a 310 right here. This is just one side of the big yard. So there's no issues getting equipment from those suppliers anyway. So I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of what we have, and then we can go from here. And let me know if there's something specific you like to see, and I will do my best to look at it. So there's two sides on these pavers. There's the big one. So depending on the roads in Sierra Leone, we will either have that big one or the small one, but these two are not sold, so we can definitely get something going with these two. This is a standard paver in operation here in Australia. Thought I'd just show you quick the front of this paver. So that's pretty good. They're the size of paver to do our old asphalt, and see, it's quite handy. There's the smaller one. I think the smaller one will actually work fine unless you're looking at a bigger road, kind of two lane on each side motorway, and these ones obviously extend. But anyway, this is what we have, Mr. Barry. So I hope you're satisfied that we can definitely provide the equipment that you are looking for. Thank you. You will see that with the change of videos from one scene to another, I'm moving from location to location based on various suppliers that I usually go to. So that's why you can see various changes. So just to give you a little bit of a spectrum of what's available. This is another excavator, Mr. Barry. There's two of them. These ones are fairly new, and it's made by Leone. It's a brand that's starting over here and doing quite well. And yes, we can definitely see the availability of equipment that we have over here. These are the mini loaders, so there's not a lot of, you can definitely custom make them for what we want. And there's another front loader here, and you can see they're servicing the parts there. So yes, these are some of the companies I deal with when I'm looking for equipment. I just come here. So they've given me access now. We back at work. They're giving me access to take some shots of what they have. So what they're going to do is send me a good list on my email, and then put something together and send it to you. These are some of the parts and the replacement that they have available. So once we get going, we can definitely ship these items to you. And with spare part, we'll have also spare part as well, and take care of the maintenance. Alright gents, this is one of the sites I'm working on right now, and then a couple of machineries here for the work that we have to do. So is finishing compacting, and so yeah. But because we're back also from a public holiday, so the guys, we're missing a couple of drivers today, but yeah. And this is where we get all the water to maintain the dust control. So yeah, it's a nice and a small setup. And yeah, you can see as well here, this is the tank that we use for it. It's one of the loader working on the earthworks today, Mr. Barry. This is the excess we are trying to get away from. We're taking out from for the ramp that we are going to build for this road. Hello, Mr. Barry. I'm just here on site showing you a couple of the machinery that we also will need our site over there in Sierra Leone. It's the grader and excavator, and then also we have a dump truck just coming up now. Try to stay away a little bit. Obviously, here are the requirements: you stay away from big trucks. But yes, this company does all the earthworks for us. So yeah, which is pretty good. This is some of the equipment they have here. So I'm about to go inside and talk to the sales rep to see how we can get these equipment for us over there in Sierra Leone. As you can see, this is definitely good equipment here that they have. They're John Deere, but they're all good. Okay, Mr. Barry, this is Volvo, and then they have quite a bit of equipment over here, and as you can see, so yeah, we can definitely get whatever we need here in Australia. They have all the equipment, and all we have to do is make sure we have a list and pick what we want for the job that we need to do in Sierra Leone. So yeah, they have everything here, and we can definitely get all that stuff sent over there and start working. So yeah, this is a front loader. So they got quite a bit of front loader and some mini ones. This is a mini one. This is pretty good for a smaller project. So yeah, we can definitely get whatever we need over here. Mr. Barry, as you can see, everywhere I stop we have equipment here around. So this is another yard that has all the equipment and some of the stuff like a processor for aggregate, like we discussed. Yeah, they have quite a bit of equipment over here, new and used. And yeah, we can definitely have anything we need. You can see the parts over there as well. It's yes, that's a Bomac with compactors, and then processing for the aggregates, excavators, and yeah, we can definitely ship whatever we need to Sierra Leone. Mr. Ismail Barry, I hope this short video, I know it's about 15 minutes, but I will think that you'll be pretty happy with what we had to show, and we can definitely do more all to working together. So whenever, if you have any query, just give me a call, and I'm available at any time, and I should be able to help you with any requests you may have. You guys have a good day over there, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.